this one waiting at your door.
You've got to track him. And Benjamin Fowles just getting back to his feet for France as well, so they're struggling in defence.
Yeah, still there.
Now they go to that side, Falatau. Evans. Edwards. Captain Wales comes in here. Jamie Roberts on the inside ball, nearly works well. Good inside ball. George North. That's what you want.
Pick a lazy runner, pick a forward out.
So into the 22 they come. Falatau rolling on.
It's got to go right now. It's got to go.
But left again they come. Chipley goes into play scrum half and Falatau. 4 minutes to go in this first half. Nothing between the sides. Wales basically seeking the first try. Ryan Jones, the captain. It is Dan Bigger. Out to Jonathan Davis.
And useless of himself, hasn't he? Fall on the wing. He's all, he's been there, taking the high balls, made himself a nuisance.
This one waiting at